Hey there, I'm Adells. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and lets you see more helpful content like this. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use a personal care pumping device in a way that's simple, comfortable, and stress-free. If you're new to this or just looking for a refresher, you're in the right place. First things first, make sure all parts of your device are clean and properly assembled. Double-check connections so everything is secure before you begin. Find a calm, private space where you can relax. Sitting upright with good back support helps a lot. Gently place the soft part of the device where it needs to go, making sure it's centered and snug. A good fit really improves comfort and performance. Start with a low setting, letting the device ease into its rhythm. You can adjust the intensity based on what feels right for you. Everyone's comfort zone is a little different, so take your time finding yours. A session usually lasts between 10 to 20 minutes, but there's no need to rush. Staying relaxed, sipping water, or listening to calming sounds can help the process feel smoother. When you're done, switch off the device before removing it. Carefully take everything apart and clean the parts like you normally do. Warm water and soap or a steam sterilizer usually works great. If your device suddenly doesn't feel the same or seems less effective, it might be time to check the parts. Some of them wear out gradually, especially if you're using the device regularly. Replacing just one small piece can actually make a big difference. When you're adjusting the settings, take your time. There's no need to rush into high power right away. Start low and increase slowly until it feels just right for you. That's it for now. Thanks so much for your support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!